Hi, my name is Christine and I am a chartered accountant. I'm the founder of UPvisor and we do training and development in the space of finance and technology. Now, during my 2 years that I've been running my business, I have realized that there is such a need to support entrepreneurs, because as an entrepreneur myself, I don't have the support I want and that I need to be able to run my business. I don't have a board of directors, I don't have a solid team of advisors necessarily around me, and I'm sure you might be in a similar situation. I did a survey recently that looked at a couple of things. How do you feel about your business strategy for 2020? How do you feel about your personal finances? How do you feel about your business finances? Because the two are different and they interlink with one another. I also asked questions such as, what do you understand about costing, pricing and break-even? How do you feel about them? How does it apply to your business? And even things about marketing strategies for 2020, and how do you feel about networking and performing your elevator pitch before the crowd, just like I'm doing right now. How do you feel about your HR strategy for 2020? Are you looking at hiring someone? Do you know what the process is? Do you know what to look for? And do you know at what point in time you should start hiring someone? I even asked some questions about how you feel about your financial statements and the cash flow that goes along with that. And how do you feel about paying tax? Now, there are a lot of people that said, I hate tax, let's throw money at it, let's make it go away. And I also asked some questions about how you feel about using advisors. Now, advisors could include bookkeepers, tax practitioners, lawyers even, an accountant. And the last question I asked was, how do you feel about the longevity of your business? Are you planning do you have a succession plan in place? Do you have a will for your business? Do you have insurance? Do you know all of the concepts that go around with insurance? And there was an overwhelming sense of people needing more help and more guidance in starting and getting those things into place to make their business a success. Now, we are here to help. We are launching an exciting new offering called Quarterbackers, where it's really all about creating support for you as an entrepreneur or a small business owner, and we want to have your back. As part of this program, we will be looking at a variety of different topics that incorporate some of those questions that we asked. Things like looking at vision casting and goal setting for your business, looking at the link between business and personal finance, looking at those concepts of costing, pricing and break-even and how that applies to your business, looking at how to market your business for growth, and we will be getting an expert in to come chat about the different ways in which you can market your business, social media, PR, all of those things that we as entrepreneurs, we just actually don't enjoy or we don't have time for. We'll look at the value of networking and collaboration, preparing an elevator pitch and how to actually get the most bang for your buck in that sense, and then looking at HR to be able to grow your business. We'll also look at some financial concepts, so looking at your financial statements, what they mean, what information we can get out of it, how to manage your cash flow, and how to access the funding that you need. We'll also be looking at the different types of tax, like provisional tax, PAYE, how that interlinks with your individual tax. And we'll also be looking at how to choose your different advisors, so from an accounting perspective and from a tax perspective. We'll also be looking at different insurance concepts for your business, as well as things like buy and sell agreements. For example, if you're a sole proprietor, what happens when you die? Does your partner or your spouse have to take over the business? What happens to those contracts that you have in place with clients? What happens to your employees? Are you planning for the inevitable? And then we will also look at some budgeting for 2021, which is now right at the end of this year. But that takes us through a whole program in which there will be 13 support sessions during the year. And as a business owner, every day we're out there, we are fighting our battles. We're either on the offense or the defense. We might be going out there trying to win new clients, develop new products and services, or we might be on the defense and we're seeing this is what our competitors are doing. How am I going to make sure that I am matching their offerings or even beating them? How am I dealing with my financial situation? All of those things sort of like in the background, they still have to happen. So it really just depends on the day, what space we're in. If you think about a football player, they have a coach and they have a team around them. And those two together make sure that they are getting the best performance on the field. And in the same way, as business owners, we potentially need a coach, and we definitely need a team around us. So really what Quarterbackers is about is to be able to give you that space where you have a team around you and where you have some potential coaches that are identified during those support sessions. And having those two in place really helps us to beat the scary times, the intimidating times, and even those draining times, those times when it just feels like such a drain and like you're drudging through some of those tasks. For me, that's social media. I'm not good at it, I don't enjoy it, so I would rather just throw money at it, make it go away, and get someone else that is really passionate about it and is really good at it to manage my social media for me. And I'm sure you have a similar one or more areas that would apply to you. So during our support sessions, we are really going to be spending time rethinking things. We are going to be strategizing for our business, and we will be sharpening our skills. So every support session will have a component of training, where we will be looking at those different topics I mentioned earlier. We will have an opportunity to share our business challenges and gain from the experience and wisdom within the room. And then hopefully, I'm sure that there will be some inspiration and motivation as well, because what we really need every day is someone to help us get out of the bed in the morning. As much as passion can drive us, sometimes we just need a little extra boost to get us through the day. So that's really what we're hoping to do. There will obviously be some networking opportunities there as well. We're really hoping that this will become like a family to you, and that you will have someone who you can call on at all hours of the night to know that there's someone that's walking out this journey with you. So this program is being launched as a 12-month or 11-month membership, and what it will include is 13 support sessions, which will cover those different topics as we take it through the year. We'll be meeting once every 3 weeks approximately, whether face-to-face or in an online space. It will also include one free personal finance webinar, as well as one free team building event. Now you might say, oh, but these people are not my team, but you know, sometimes we just want to connect with other like-minded people, and because we're really hoping for a little community to form around this, we're calling it a team building event, but really it will be an activity where we get to enjoy ourselves and socialize and just strengthen our bonds and our relationships during those times. Now, over and above these 13 support sessions, the free personal finance webinar and the free team building event, you also have the opportunity to choose 3 out of 10 events that will be happening during the course of the year. Now, of these 10 events, 7 of them are free, so you don't have to pay anything extra, and 3 of them will be a significant reduction in price because you are part of our Quarterbackers group. Now, the 7 free events that you can choose from include a vision boarding workshop, an additional personal finance webinar, a 3-hour entrepreneurship workshop, a 3-hour unleash your inner CFO workshop, because you know we're all CEOs, we are CIO, information officer, we are marketing officers, we're all of those things, but we are also CFOs, the chief financial officer of our business. And there are other things that we can sort of fly by the seat of our pants, but being a CFO, if you miss that mark, your entire business could fail. So you have the opportunity to choose from a 3-hour CFO workshop and come join us in there. Then there are also 2 small business chamber events that you can choose from. The speed networking, you're able to do 2 of them if you choose the speed networking, and 1 business networking, which is the evening networking session. And then we will also be having a year-end function at the end of the year, which you are welcome to choose as well. And then for our price reduction events, there is a 3-day entrepreneurship workshop where you get 20% off. You can also choose from mentoring opportunities, which is 25% off, and then our exciting weekend entrepreneurship retreat, which will give you an additional 20% off. So there are 10 events. You can pick and choose 3 of the 10 events. If you don't want to spend any more money, then you can choose from the 7 free events. And if you are interested in taking your business up a notch, then you might want to consider some of the price reduction events, any 3 of those, or you can mix and match between the 2. Have some free, have some extra paid, whatever works for your business. If you Mix and match, you can save a whopping extra 2,400 Rand, which gives you cumulatively, just from those savings, a 24% return on your investment. Now let's have a look at what investment you need to make to access this. So our initial offer is 670 Rand per month per person over 11 months, starting from February and ending in December. Or alternatively, if you want to pay up front, it's 6,700 Rand, which means that you get 1 month free. What a good deal, right? This means that you get equipped to grow your business. We work in small groups that are perfect for you, where you have someone that's going to be listening to you who can give input into your business. But you know what they say? There is more. Okay, so I'm not going to offer this to you at 670 Rand per month. No, instead, because you're so special, we are offering this at an introductory price for a limited time only at 490 Rand per month over 11 months. Okay, or if you're paying upfront, that's 4,900 Rand. So we are giving you an additional 27% saving. So over and above your 24% return on investment, you are getting an additional 27% saving. Now, gee whiz, isn't that amazing? Because the value of this program is more than 10,000 Rand per person. So this already is giving you a massive saving. But wait, there's more. If you bring a friend, then you can both access this course or this program at 450 Rand each if you're paying per month over 11 months, or you still get that 1 month free if you are going to be paying upfront. So that is a total saving on your membership fee of 33%. Okay, so the 33% plus your 24% return on investment, that is amazing. So I really encourage you to make sure that you are getting into this program and that you are able to access these amazing benefits that we are offering. So if you watch the space, you will see that there is an online version also coming soon, and we will be rolling out the cost and the structure around that very soon. So make sure you keep an eye on the space, and I'm very excited for this online version. So if you are interested in applying, please go complete our membership form at tiny.cc/QBapply, standing for quarterbackers apply. So there will be a link in this little video that shows you where you can go sign up. And we are really excited to tell you more about this. If you would like to learn more about this offering, we will be having a second introductory session on Tuesday, the 4th of February from 4 until 6 p.m. And we invite you to come join us there. We will be talking about some small business trends or some business trends for 2020. And it will just give you an idea of the sort of training that you can expect. It's really just a small taster. But just the concept around it, and you'll have the opportunity to ask some questions and to network with the people that are there. So if you are interested in coming to attend our session on Tuesday, please make sure that you RSVP on the link below. And we really are looking forward to seeing you there, and we really believe that this is going to make such an amazing difference to the growth and success of your business in 2020. So remember, if you would like to apply for quarterbackers, then go sign up at tiny.cc/QBapply, and it will take you through the membership application form, and then we will connect with you to pay your membership. Okay, so just in summary, Quarterbackers is an entrepreneurship support program specially designed for you. I'm Christine from UPvisor, and I so look forward to seeing you join us there.